Let's practice working with exponents. What is 2 to the exponent 6? This exponent in the top right corner means repeated multiplication. We're going to multiply 2 by itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. It's good to keep on playing the doubling game. And please memorize that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to the 5 equals 32. Which means that multiplying one more 2 would be doubling that number, which is 64. What is a times a times a times a times a? We count 5 a's, so the exponent is 5. Anything to the 0 is 1, so 1 to the 0 is 1, and so is 3 to the 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 to the anything is 0. So 0 to the 5 is also 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now we have minus 3 to the 4. Notice this minus sign is in front with no brackets. This is equivalent to minus 1 times 3 to the 4. And we know for certain 3 to the 4 is a large number. It's actually 9 times 9, which is 81. 81 times negative 1 is a negative number. So we have this number becoming negative 81. Now this plus sign means we add, and this term here becomes positive because a negative number to an even exponent becomes positive. So 3 times 3 is 9, times another 9 is 81. We have negative 1 plus 81 is 0. As for this question here involving n, we have a hidden exponent 1 here, and we add the exponents. We have the base n. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Now we have 3x cubed all cubed. Remember to spread the exponent love also to the number as well as this x part here. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And we have x cubed, exponent bracket exponent, we multiply. So we have x to the 3 times 3, which is 9. Finally, we have this exponent 3, which we spread to the top, the numerator, as well as the denominator. We have 2 cubed, which is 8, over negative 3 cubed, which is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which is negative 27. Again, we have a part all cubed, so we cube the top as well as the bottom. Now, when we have 2a cubed, we also have to cube the coefficient 2. So 2 cubed is 8, and then we have a cubed. Over the denominator, we have b squared all cubed, so we multiply exponent bracket exponent. We multiply, not add. 2 times 3 is 6, so we have b to the 6. Now what if we have negative 1 to the exponent 100? This exponent means repeated multiplication. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, and we have an even number, so every pair of negative numbers becomes positive. So the overall result is just positive 1. We have a plus sign, and now we have a negative 1 to an odd exponent. Negative times negative times negative, an odd number of times, is negative. So we have negative 1. What is 1 plus negative 1? Plus bracket minus becomes minus. So we have 1 minus 1 is 0. Finally, we have a bracket here, and we have a squaring. Let's clean up the inside first. We have a to the 1 times a to the 5. We can add these numerators. The exponents, 1 plus 5 is 6. So we have a6 over the denominator, a squared all squared. 6 minus 2 we subtract when we divide with the same base. 6 minus 2 is 4. Finally, exponent bracket exponent, we multiply 4 times 2, which is 8.